So hello guys, today we'll do one question, that is processed ticket rate by type. So we have to find the processed rate of the ticket for each type. The processed rate is defined as the number of processed tickets divided by the total number of tickets for that type. Round this result to two decimal places. Okay, here is the table. So in this question, we just have to give the type and the number of processed in percentage. So we'll select type and processed from Facebook complaint. We'll group by type because we need group by the type, and we'll do average as average processed. We'll run this and our output is correct, but it's not because we didn't round this up to two decimal places. Now let's solve, and this is our output and this is the expected output. So this question is not really medium, it's easy, and I don't know why they have put this in medium category. And we have another way. In that way we could do select type and sum processed divided by count of all as average processed from Facebook complaint. We'll group by type. We'll run this. We got the same answer. We'll round this up to two decimal places and it's solved. So we have two approaches. One is average and one is the formula they had given in the question itself. So let's see the time. So in this question it took me 0.006. In the above one it took me 0.007. So taking average will take less time than adding the formula itself. Thank you. I hope this question was clear.